Hello, my name is Simon Benson. I'm the Immersive Technology Director here at the Unity Centre of Excellence at Hose. 60% of all virtual reality content is created using the Unity toolset. Let's take a look at some examples. The Unity development tool allows you to create augmented reality applications. Let's see how you could apply that to your business.
The magic of an accompaniment tailor-made in the fashion of today. Fashion of today.
The Unity toolkit is used to create the majority of video games. Just imagine what you could do with it to deliver your creative vision. In the automotive industry, Unity is often used to assist with sales and engineering applications. In the world of architecture and construction, Unity can help you visualize the interiors and exteriors of buildings that haven't even been built yet. Unity has a comprehensive set of tools to allow you to create creative opportunities in both film and television. In addition to the Unity development tool, there's a range of verified solution providers. These can really enable you to do so much more. Let's have a look at some of those options.
The magic of an accompaniment tailor-made in the fashion of today. Fashion of today.
To find out more about opportunities relating to the Unity Centre of Excellence, visit hostsolvent.com/Unity Centre of Excellence.